I'm adding a small piece of ginger, which I've sliced here, and turmeric, which is this big here. It's really tiny. It's about the size of my little pinky. Okay, so I'm gonna add these together with fruit and vegetable juice that I mentioned earlier. The time is coming up to 4:30 on Wednesday, 4th of March 2020. I'm about to make my fruit and juice salad. In this bowl, which I'm about to juice, I have 1 slice of pineapple, 6 ripe tomatoes, a packet of flat leaf parsley, also known as Italian parsley, a floret of broccoli, and underneath I have, which you can't see, I've got remained the last bits of my cilantro and mint leaves. So I'm going to juice all of this in a moment, and I'll give you the verdict once I've had a drink. Alright, all that juicing made about a liter, 2.5 glasses. I've drunk 2 glasses already, so I have another half a glass here. It's really thick and smooth. I really like it. I didn't add cucumber, as I didn't mention it earlier. Cucumber tends to make juices a bit too watery, and I think the combination of pineapple and tomato goes really well. The grapefruit, funnily enough, wasn't as sour as if you put lemon. I didn't put lemon today, but instead I put half a grapefruit. I just wanted to see what effect it had. It's not so sour, no bitterness at all, and I'm going to use the pulp actually into a stew. But I did have to put some of this Lea and Perrins, as well as black pepper. I put a few turns of Kampot black pepper, and it's really delicious. I think I'll be making this again. So again, I've got like 6 ripe tomatoes, 1 thick slice of pineapple, half a grapefruit, 1 floret of broccoli, some ginger, some turmeric, a packet of English parsley, no, not English parsley, Italian parsley, also known as flat leaf parsley, some mint and coriander left over, the last bits of it, and what else did I have? One thing I should mention, I didn't put daikon in this juice. I did a couple of days ago. It makes the juice taste really horrible, so I wouldn't be putting daikon into my fruit or vegetable juice anymore. The taste is really unpleasant, let's put it that way. Okay, so this juice, I'm really happy with it. It's mainly ripe tomatoes and pineapple, the main ingredients, with a little bit of grapefruit and carrots. Actually, I have 2 carrots in it too. I think the carrots give it a nice smooth character as well. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today.